Hi, my name's Andrew Wilson from Technical Training Australia, and I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on what's changed in the Victorian LEA licensing exams. We find that all three exams have changed for the 2019 and onward period, but today what I'm going to do is give you a bit of a run through with the LEP exam changes. You'll find that the exam itself hasn't changed, the structure, but what's happened is that the new book has now, obviously we have RCD protection in our switchboard build, and also we can have RCBOs as well. You'll find here on my right hand side, which is over here, that we've got some examples. You've got your three-phase main switch. For your three-phase appliance now, you'll have an RCBO which incorporates a neutral, and of course we still have the RCD circuit breaker combination, the two-pole RCBO, and the single-pole RCBO. So your switchboard build will reflect these new changes. There will be no unprotected circuits in your switchboard builds. So what you need to do when you're doing your switchboard build, you need to make sure that you understand what you're doing and you need to reflect the changes that are happening in the exam. People ask me, well, how many switchboard builds do I need to do for the LEP exam? In my experience, I've found that 4 switchboard builds is what you need to do. You need to do 2 overhead jobs and 2 underground jobs to be successful in the exam. Because it's a negative marking scale, you'll find that you really need to know what you're doing with the board. Of course, we still have the electrical testing of the installation, and you'll find if you look over to my right hand side, table 8.2 has changed significantly. So check it out. You'll find that you'll need to do that for the resistance of your earthing conductors and your fault impedance. And of course, your MEN. With the MEN, you'll find that you've got some voltage readings, plus you need to do an accurate description that reflects the voltage readings that you've got. But it's not a matter of writing a script that you need to remember parrot fashion. You need to have an understanding of what's going on. And here at TTA, we can train you with that. Again, the last part is your visual defects, and visual defects will again incorporate the new wiring rules AS 3000 2018. So I hope this has been helpful. Make sure that you come down to TTA, check out our training room. We're here to help. We qualify everyone that walks through the door, and we can make your life easier for your licensing exams.